What's up, you guys? Eddie at Fliptroniks. So I'm going to be showing you guys once again how to split the screen and use the multi-window option on your iPhone 7. So you guys can do this with an app. I'm going to show you the app I'm using, and I just think it's definitely worth checking out, mainly because if you like to use two screens at once to do different things. For example, like I like to watch YouTube videos while I'm shopping, and there's other things I like to do. If I'm on Facebook, I might want to be checking out Facebook, watching YouTube, or doing something else at the same time. So anyways, I'm going to leave a link in the description for this app. It's actually the #1 app for splitting the screen on your iPhone in the App Store. If you just type in split screen, it should come up at the top. It is a paid app, you guys. It costs $3.99, but honestly, it's absolutely worth it. Let's check it out. So it's got 4 out of 5 star reviews, and I'm just a really big fan of this one. So I mean, I totally recommend it. I'm using it. I paid for it. So anyways, let's check it out. I'm going to show you guys how to use it, why it's so cool. All right, so basically when you guys open it up, it's going to have a different list of websites that are popular. So it pulls up popular websites. There's also like this little blue circle in the middle, which will allow you to drag to make the split screen bigger or smaller. So that's kind of how that works. You can also use these little minimize, maximize buttons on the top right here. So let's say you want to minimize one of the screens, you could do that. It'll drop it. You could also hit minimize right here, and it'll drop it as well, and then you can readjust it the way you want. You can also use the maximize option on it. There's also some cool features in here, which I'm going to get into in just a second, but let's just say, for example, I want to hop onto Facebook or whatever, and at the same time I want to be watching a YouTube video. I like to watch like a lot of movie trailers, so maybe I'm like watching a movie trailer or something. So I can do that with this. And then if I want to keep something smaller, I can adjust it like that. Now there's some built-in features in this app that are really cool. Let's get into those. All right, so there's private browsing, which is really cool. If you don't want to be tracked, you can turn that on. I really like that they have that kind of built in here. There's also some other different options in here, like a password one. You got some email plugin ones, which are pretty cool, but I really think the private browsing one is really cool. Parental control is not really a big deal. I wouldn't really bother with that. Let's check out some of the other things on here again. There's also some cool extensions within this app as well too. So you got the password one right there, just the private browsing. So I mean, you can access these a lot quicker. But for the most part, you guys, if you like to multitask and do more than one thing at once on your iPhone, it's definitely awesome. I mean, if you guys are using like a Plus Model 2, I think this is a really good app if you've got a bigger screen. But even with a smaller screen on the iPhone 7, I just think this app is really good. It also doesn't lag at all. There are some free options that I've used in the App Store that kind of suck. Let me go back to the App Store to show you. They've got this one right here, split web browsing for multitasking. There's ads within it that are constantly annoying you. So I mean, if you do go for a free one, there's always going to be stupid ads getting in your way. Plus, I found this one to be a little bit glitchy, at best. But this split screen one right here, like I said, I've been using it. I purchased it, and it's become my go-to for splitting, the screen on my iPhone. So anyways, you guys, I will leave a link in the description for it. If you guys have any questions about this app, just feel free to message me in the comments. I'd also appreciate if you guys hit that like and share button on this video. If you're watching and haven't subscribed to us, hit that subscribe, and we'll see you guys later.